Yes, thank you very much. So still a couple of slides regarding collaboration opportunities and next steps in this project. So as an overview of the partners, just briefly from the top to bottom. So BFI is a research organization specialized in process industry and especially metallurgy. We're a software and AI provider also. Cardiff University is a specialist in human factor research. CELSA makes steel in many countries all over Europe. Then we have Eviden or Atos. It's a software company and has plenty of expertise related to AI. Exus is another software company, plenty of expertise in data integration, at least. Then we have FDT or Fonderia di Torbole, an Italian steel and cast iron producer. That is Mandat International, a research organization. They have various expertise areas such as communication, sustainable development goals, certification, standardization. And finally, Sant'Anna, Scuola Superiore Sant'Anna University from Italy. They have knowledge about process industry, metallurgy, software, AI, and life cycle assessment. And then what kind of collaboration opportunities we could have from the exploitable results from this project? So again, from top to bottom. So Atos or Eviden has developed this platform for federated learning, continual learning, and transfer learning. So related to this, there could be software as a service, for instance, licensing, new AI software developments. From BFI side, so BFI as a research institute could provide its dynamic electric arc furnace process model or scrap characterization, scrap optimization as service, or maybe license it for use in other location, especially steel industry, but also maybe other process industries, at least regarding this scrap part. Then Cardiff could provide its Industry 5.0 human-centric technology views to the academic research, provide this as a service. So for instance, in the steel industry. And then Exus can provide data integration software engineering services related to AI and other data-intensive areas. Then Fonderia di Torbole indeed is a steel producer, so they are available to partner in projects with steel processes and foundries. SSSA, the university, so they have the model portfolio, so they can also provide various research services to steel companies, foundries, and so forth. And finally, Mandat International has developed this IAM for SDG methodology for sustainable development goals related certification. We have identified a couple of horizon calls. So if any of you is interested in writing applications or you have some consortium in mind, we might want to do it with you. So just briefly about the call topics. So the first one is optimizing the usage of resources in circular economy. Then we have innovative AI methods and technologies in process industries, support for the clean industrial deal, AI improved advanced manufacturing, approaches for centralized, federated, and sustainable AI, and then finally next generation AI agents for real-world applications. So there are multiple calls, and of course, if you think there's something else you find interesting and you think any of the project partners would be a good match, then of course you are free to contact us. The contact information is coming on later in this presentation. There's also this Horizon Europe cluster with multiple organizations where Mandat International is involved. So they can provide services related to law and regulatory compliance, ethics, personal data protection, dissemination and communication, open science and data management, international cooperation, and again, sustainable development, of course, Internet of Things, integration, exploitation, impact assessment, and then provide access to SLICES, which is the largest ICT research infrastructure in Europe. You can contact, for instance, this Sebastian Ziegler. You can find the email on this slide. And then finally, as another way to do research is, of course, bilateral projects. So you don't have to have a large consortium. maybe you can do it in a smaller group of organizations. This is an area where BFI is very active. So BFI can provide services for process optimization, digitalization, energy efficiency, and circular economy. And how to access the results of the project. So of course we have a website, we have a Zenodo page, and also a page on AI on demand. So on AI on demand, we currently have only, I believe, 1 or 2 results, but more are to come in the coming weeks as we finalize and disseminate the project results. And yes, indeed, so if you're interested, you can find the contacts on this slide for each partner. Just showing you for a while, so you can maybe take a screenshot or whatever, because it's a bit of plenty of information for a short time of visibility. But that's it. Thank you very much from my side.